Alright guys, so I have everything taken out of the box. They're pretty cool looking. Very well protected during shipping. Side by side. Should look nice. So the first thing you have to do is take these little screws off of here. That's what holds the tail light in. That's a T15. You need a T15 Torx bit to get these little screws out. Now mine actually has LEDs, so I'm not going to need the resistors that they include in the box. I'm probably just going to have to swap out the wiring harness. Okay, so I'll pop that off, and then I'm going to have to pop out this light here. There's a plug in the back of this light inside the bed that you actually have to unplug, and I believe it's this connection right here is what you're unplugging. In order to unplug this wire here, you actually have to pull out on this red clip like that, and then squeeze. And this one here you twist and it pops out. So that's for the reverse bulb. The rest is LED. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is pop out this light here in order to get to the plug on the back of it. Try to push in with the flathead on the underside of the light, because there's a little tab. So if you push up on that, the bottom should push in, and then you'll be able to feed it out of the hole. All right, there you go. And there's your plug. So once again, you pop this little red tab up. So then you can feed that wire through. And now we're gonna have to go underneath the truck to unplug the other side of the wire. There's a couple clips that actually hold it to the body of the truck. So you're gonna need one of these tools here to pop it out. All right, so you got two plugs right here. As you can see, you got a gray one and you got a black one. The black one is the one you want. It's the skinnier wire loom. You can see those clips. There's one there and one farther down. You kind of see it up and through there. It's hard to see on camera, but you guys will see it. All right, so there you go. That's what it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to run this one. This blue wire is going to attach to the back of that light. I'm going to feed this end in first, hook up all the clips, and then plug it into the light afterwards. So now we're going to run this blue wire up through this hole that goes to the light. Now we'll hook the new tail light up. so there you go, guys. So basically do the same thing on the other side. It's not a hard install at all. Just remember which plugs to unplug, which wire you're supposed to be tracing, especially if you have a Trail Boss. If you have a Trail Boss or one of the Silverados that has the LEDs in the back, it's quite a bit easier, I think. You don't have to worry about the resistor or another inline harness. So just plug and play, and you're all set.